At Cerulean, in our Microsoft 365 cloud services practice, we build the shared folders in Microsoft Teams, not SharePoint and not OneDrive. Now, the basis of all document storage in Microsoft 365, of course, is SharePoint. And many years ago, we used to migrate on premises file server shares to SharePoint document libraries, accessed through Windows File Explorer through the OneDrive Sync client to replicate a map drive look and feel for the users that they're used to. Around 2019, with the rise of Microsoft Teams becoming Microsoft's core hub for modern collaboration, we switched to building file shares in Microsoft 365 using Microsoft Teams channels. And again, access through Windows File Explorer through the OneDrive Sync client. Then the users could access the same file shares through Windows File Explorer as well as inside Microsoft Teams, whichever was most comfortable to them. And that future proofed our clients for modern collaboration as well as modern IT security management inside Microsoft 365. Now, unlike an Exchange Online migration, the users have to be trained and prepped on the front end, and the internal IT admins need to be trained and prepped to manage the back end and prepped to provide ongoing help desk support for a configuration both the users and the IT admins aren't used to. Configuring, securing, sharing, and supporting shared files in Teams and OneDrive is not at all the same as sharing files through a Windows Server file server. Migrating on premises file shares to Microsoft 365 only happens once in a company's lifetime, which means an internal IT manager can't get the experience of doing these migrations over and over to get the confidence to plan out and execute a high profile migration like migrating shared files and then confidently supporting it after the migration.